promise to serve humanity with integrity and devotion. I request all of you to please place your right hand on your chest and repeat after me wholeheartedly. Aham Pradignya Karomi Yadaham Swasya Adhyayana Kale Shastrartham Samyak Jnatva Vaidikiya Vyavasaye Dakshaha Abhavam. Aham Drishtakarta Bhavidum Sarvada Yadishye Sarvada Mama Sahakarina Sammanam Adaram Cha Kuryam. Aham Vidya Vitarka Vijnana Smriti Samyak Rupena Sajjosmi. Aham Madiyam Vaikama Satyadeya Pramanikadaya Sadasat Viveka Buddhya Adara Bhavena Cha Kuryam. Pratyekena Ruknena Vartanam Manaviya Atmiyam Chasyat. Aham Ruknasya Vyadhi Vishaye Gopaniyada Paleyam. Aham Ruknam Prati Karunaya Bendhudaya Pridehe Ruknasya Chilsam Karishyami Evam Heshati Rupena Swakiya Sabhalyasta Prayogam Jana Kalyanaya.
Thank you everyone. Please be seated. Now I request